How to fix Instagram login error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram, and commonly this problem won't let you get in to your account. So if you try to log in here, you won't be able to log in because there will be an error saying there is a problem with your request. So all you have to do is to go to your settings here and basically just go and search storage here and then tap on storage, and then here you will see your iPhone storage. Now I want you to do next is to go to your Instagram, find Instagram there, and tap on offload. So it will actually free up storage used by the app. So it will actually reboot the application and it will fix your problem. Now, if it still doesn't work, maybe there is a problem really to Instagram. So you might actually want to wait for a while for the Instagram community to actually respond to that problem, because there is a high probability that you're not the only one having that problem if that's the case. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have actually updated your application, your Instagram application. And to do that is you have to go to your app store here and just type in Instagram. And then if you will see an update button here, you will have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, if it's updated, you can now go back to logging in your Instagram and do the same process if it's still not working. And basically, that is how you fix Instagram login error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.